Coffee grinders. Students stand with feet together and knees slightly bent. The arms are bent at the elbow and held tight to the chest with fists facing up and arms parallel to the line of the body. Students jump up with both feet and twist a quarter turn to the left, land, then jump and twist a quarter turn to the right. Students continue jumping and twisting right then left for the designated time or number of repetitions. An optional form of the coffee grinder, if space allows, is called the three-point coffee grinder. Students put their left or right palm on the ground and use it as the axis or balance point as their feet walk in a circle around the hand they are balancing on. Jump, stop, box, shuttle. Students set up a square using lines on the floor or 4 pylons, with the corners of the square approximately 5 meters apart. The students run forward in a clockwise direction around the square, performing a jump stop as they reach each pylon or corner of the box. A jump stop is a controlled stop where students land on both feet with knees slightly bent. The jump stop allows students receiving a ball to choose either foot as the pivot foot and prepares them to set up in a triple threat position, able to dribble, pass, or shoot. Students move through the box 5 times. Jump rope routine. Students perform a simulated jump rope routine for 30 seconds. They stand with both arms out at 90 degrees from the sides and pretend to hold a skipping rope. While rotating both wrists and forearms as if turning the rope, the students perform a variety of simulated steps: 2 foot, 1 foot, heel touches, scissors, plus jumps, etc. Defensive footwork. Students shuffle 3 steps at a 45-degree angle backward to the right and then 3 steps at a 45-degree angle backward to the left, and so on as they move around the activity area. When students begin to shuffle in a new direction, their first step must be with the foot on the side they are traveling to. If they shuffle to the left, their first step must be with their left foot. Students must stay low at all times and keep their hands in a defensive position. Remind students to be careful and watch out for others at all times. Standing long jump. Students perform a series of linked standing long jumps. Students start in an athletic position with legs shoulder-width apart and knees slightly bent. They swing their arms forward as they take off with 2 feet and jump as far as they can, landing each time with knees bent in a controlled stop. Immediately after their controlled stop, they perform another standing long jump from the spot where they landed. They continue this pattern down and back the length of the activity area. Students are reminded to stop before they reach the end walls. Post-up moves. Students stand in an athletic position as if holding a basketball and take a step backward on a 45-degree angle to the right, leading with the right foot, or to the left, leading with their left foot. They bring their opposite foot beside the foot they stepped back on and then fake a jump shot or set shot. Students continue to drop step and then fake a shot to the left, then to the right 10 times, each returning to the starting position after each faked shot. Raise the roof. Students start in an athletic position with legs shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and arms overhead with palms facing up. The students jump high in the air using a 2-foot takeoff. As the students jump in the air, they pump their arms up and down using the palms to raise the roof. The students perform 10 jumps in a row, then take a 15-second rest by jogging slowly on the spot, and then perform 10 more jumps.